Dark matters exposes the absence of black speech in datasets used to train voice interface systems in consumer artificial intelligence products such as Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. Utilizing 3D modeling, sound, and storytelling, the project challenges our communities to grapple with racism and inequity through speech and the spoken word, and how AI systems underserve black communities. Dark Matters lives as an interactive web experience that spotlights the absence of black speech in the underlying datasets used to train voice interface systems. This lack of varied black voices creates a technological system that purports to work for everyone, yet results in a racialized listening experience for communities of color. These systems are unable to distinguish and recognize AAVE, or African American Vernacular English, and other accented variations of English coming out of the Black diaspora. As an Afro Caribbean first generation American whose parents emigrated from Jamaica to Florida in the 1980s, I've experienced personally how Black Americans code switch their speech in order to be understood by white ears. When my parents got an Alexa device for their home, I would hear the device struggle to understand their accented speech, and how they would modulate their voice, now, for AI ears. There is little research, creative or otherwise, being done around addressing this type of machine learning bias and its effects on Black communities. The project presents users with an expansive, immersive environment through which recordings from speech datasets are rendered in three-dimensional space. Each short recording is pulled from a speech dataset that is used in the industry as training data for voice interface systems. The speech recordings in these datasets have metadata associated with them to allow us to identify demographic details about the speaker, including age and accent. The speech recordings themselves exist in three-dimensional environment as volumetric spectrograms that represent the sonic information contained in the recording in visual form. The emphasis here is showing the public what is contained inside of these datasets. The project increases public awareness by allowing visitors to the website to experience the true nature of biased datasets through a three-dimensional spatialized data visualization and sonification of major speech datasets that are used as training data to make these voice interface systems able to recognize some, but not all, voices. By providing visitors a way to navigate within these datasets, visitors will experience firsthand these data voids, or vacuums of space, described by W.E.B. Du Bois as a metaphor for race and extended more recently through Jennifer Lynn Stover's idea of the sonic color line. These voids represent the missing voices in these datasets. And now, here is a video showing Dark Matters in action.
The frames are then delivered to the customer. The frames are then delivered to the customer. The frames are then delivered to the customer. The frames are
We should not take for granted how fortunate we have been.
Crackling with brimstone. He smelled like shit cigars and wet dog. His face a pasty rubber, an Alec Baldwin character aged badly by Jersey Mike number 17 and Sierra Mist. At your desk, you type in data for rich white dudes and keep your head down unless it's Darren's birthday again, and the ladies in accounting want you to sign their ridiculous card the size of a roided out Life magazine. You can also visit Dark Matters by visiting www.darkmatters.nl. Thank you.